Hi everyone, welcome to Kalyanijayalath Sewing Kingdom. Today I would like to share with you how to make this beautiful and simple night dress. If you like my channel, if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and share with others. Also, if you press the bell button, you will be able to find my videos soon as I post. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to get the measurement, also how to calculate the measurement. Plus, I will show you how to cut this night dress on fabric as well. So my next video, I will show you how to sew this night dress. So if you can stick with me, and you will be able to learn how to sew this dress, and it's so simple. I'm using few measurement, but always you can change those measurement according to your needs. So let's see what sort of measurement we need. We need chest width. So I am using for chest width 11 inches. I divide by 2. Then I am going to add 3 inches. So it will be 8.5 inches. This is our chest, width of the chest. This is our bust line. I am using for the bust line 40 inches. And then I divide by 4. I'm adding 3 inches. So my bust line will be 13 inches. Now we need the full length. I'm using 48 inches for my full length of night dress. But of course you can reduce according to your taste. So I divide 3 inches by 48. Then I'm going to add 3.5 inches because I'm going to use a frill for my night dress. So I took the full length first and then I minus 3 inches. So then I add 3.5 inches. So altogether it's a 48.5. So width of my night dress will be 18. Also I'm adding 1 inch for measurement. So it's 19 inches. So now I'm going to show you in this paper how to draw a block. You can do it straight on the paper, on the fabric, or you can make a block and then you can put the block on the fabric and you will be able to cut your night dress. So this way I'm going to show you. I'm not drawing the big block. I'm just going to show you how to make the block. You can follow my measurement, you will be able to draw. So I took the first I draw the box and then I mark 8.5. From that mark I mark 2.5 below. Then I draw a line. From that line from the first line actually I mark 3.5. So now we have to draw a line again. Now we're going to mark our bust line, which is 13 inches. Remember we got 40, then we divide by 4, we add 1, the 3 inches. Now I'm going to draw my armhole. sleeve, so that's why I'm keeping 2 inches from this side. This is 2 inches. So this is including all the measurement which we need for the sewing. So see, this is all including seam allowance, so you don't have to put anything extra. Also we had to get the shape, so I put 1 inch towards to my left hand side. Then I continue to draw a line. So now you will be clearly understand after I draw those line in the glue, the green color pen, I mean the marker. So remember, you had to make sure to cut this sleeve on fold. Now I'm going to put the seam allowance, but you don't have to get extra fabric because we got enough, because we got 15 inches long and 7 inches wider. I am using 2.5 meter of fabric because my fabric width is 45 inches. You may need less or more according to your needs. So let's start to cut our night dress on fabric. I'm using a printed fabric, so you may not be able to see very clearly, but I hope you understand because I already explained to you on a paper. So let's start to draw again on fabric. So I mark my width of the chest, which is 8.5, and from that line I put 2.5 below. That is for our elastic, the front side and back side. We need 2 pieces. Now I'm going to draw my armhole after I mark my bust line. Bust line, remember I took 40. I divide by 4, then I add 3 inches. You can always change those measurements according to your needs. Now I'm going to get the shape for my night. sew this night dress step by step. So please try to watch my next video. Now I'm going to show you how to cut the sleeve.